we need to be mindful of enjoying life today, but also creating a good future down the track.
So it's all about the long game, right, Dan? So it's a good example to use because a lot of people tend to go for the get rich quick, what's happening in the next 2-3 months or 2 minutes. A lot of people are just really, really short-sighted. And what happens is they don't focus on that long game. And it's very easy to get caught up in what's happening today and what works today. Airbnb, short-term rentals. Are you going to get the high yields now? Like the mining towns. A lot of people go and invest in mining towns when it's running hot and they're getting the 12, 13, 14% returns. But then when the mines start to decline and workers leave that area and there's no more demand, those properties go down in value because they've only seen the next 1 year, 2 years in front of them. So it's really important to get the psychology right and going, no, hang on. This is a long-term play. Like we're talking 20, 30, 40, 50 years time. We're going to live for a very long time. Like you young guys, like you've got a long time on this planet before you go. So what we want to do is we want to think about, 50 years down the track and go, okay, what are we going to invest in today, which we're going to be really happy with our decision 50 years down the track. Let's not invest in something today to Airbnb it so that, next month we're feeling good about it, right? Let's invest in something today where we go 10, 20, 30 years time, we're really glad we made that decision.